Ahoy, this is Dinka. How do you manage all your photos, the footage and files, and where do you store them? Quite a few people asked this question below the video in comments, and I was avoiding it for the longest time until now, because I am making a very large move from this to this. This video is brought to you by UGREEN. I'm someone who likes to store all my files at home on hard drives. There are my client wedding photos, all my YouTube content, our family lives, computer backups and all that. The idea to have all my stuff, all my files on a subscription-based cloud service, which you rent, you don't own, somewhere in the world on a random computer just doesn't go very well with me. This is who I am. You're not gonna change me. I can't do it. I use cloud service for small tasks and small amount of files, like sending, for example, files to my video editor to help me edit one of those videos. I know, it's a mess of many hard drives piled on top of each other. Well, you're looking at a 30-year collection roughly. Can you imagine how much I would have to pay in iCloud storage fees to have it all up? Where it gets crazy is when I need to find certain photos or footage. I have to guess the year and then search. I waste a lot of time there. It's finally going to change. This is UGREEN NAS DH4300 Plus. I'll be honest, at first I thought it was just a big storage space, as it supports up to 128 terabytes. But I was wrong, it's a lot more. I have 4 2 terabytes HDDs inserted, but I will replace them over the time to get the maximum storage, as it is compatible with a wide range of third-party HDDs. UGREEN has a compatibility list on their website. You just take it out, unscrew it, and simply replace it with another one and place it back in. Well, if it's not just a storage, then what is it? It's your own private cloud, and you can control it. It's a system with apps and tools, I'll show you soon, and again, you own it. You can reach your files anywhere in the world as long as you have internet connection. It works exceptionally well with Apple devices, but it also works very well with Windows and Android. It's set to be beginner-friendly for Mac users. I'm also brand new to Mac. My Razer Blade laptop completely broke down 3 weeks ago. That was quite an unexpected surprise. So I've made the decision to move on to Mac. You can connect your iPhone, iPad, MacBook, and even TV to it. It uses RAID redundancy, so in the event of a drive failure, each of your files will be automatically copied to the second hard drive in real time. The data will be safe. When I was setting up this one, I found it fairly easy. It comes with an app. I was using the one on my laptop, but you can also connect on mobile phone via NFC. Once you open up the app, you just follow the steps to connect it with your router. This is how the app looks like on my laptop, and as you can see, it almost feels like a computer on its own. What I love is the UGREEN AI, where you can easily find certain photos with people recognition, text recognition, similar duplicate photo recognition, and image recognition. All you have to do is type in search keywords of pets and fruit or vehicles, for example. You can upload any of these apps from the App Center, and they are placed into separate categories: system management apps, utility, entertainment, download, security, backup, and installed apps. I went ahead and installed some of them. Then you have a control panel where you can assign users and decide how much access you want to give them. So you can share this with your team or family members. They can have easy access from their devices. Under Files, you can create personal folders, shared folders, user folders, and also tags. Recycle bin, support, and logs are self-explanatory. Storage gives you all information and control about hard drives. The task manager is here. Snapshot I installed. Sync and backup lets you sync and backup things like your phone. I already added mine here. You can connect online cloud drives like Google Drive and Dropbox. Here are more apps I added. When you go to Photos, and here are some of mine, when you right-click, you can share the photo of the video via external link. You can set permissions for that file and how long the link will be valid for. You can disable photo details and enable password to see the file. When you go to the folder, you will see all files, but you can also right-click and invite friends to upload to that folder. There are other things like categorization, favorites. You can create personal albums. Next are shared albums. And here is where you can scan for similar photos and duplicate photos. I like that I can also play the videos on TV. I'm not fully set up yet. I don't want to rush it. I really want to take my time. I want to explore it all and set it up so I get the most out of the system, so it actually works for me. The mobile app looks the same, and I think I will end up using that one even more. It's just so convenient. When I started backing up my phone library, I noticed how fast it was. It has a powerful processor and fast networking. There's no more hassle of connecting my phone physically with my laptop to get the files. I do that as soon as I get home with just pressing a button, and I go make myself a coffee instead. Bottom line, if you're someone like me with lots of files and want to organize it all to make your life way easier, it's worth considering investing into something like that. Check the link to UGREEN NAS DH4300 Plus in description below the video to save up to $300 for the Prime Day discount. Give it a thumbs up if you found this video informative. Don't forget to subscribe for more, and I'll see you in one of those next. Ciao, ahoj.